In this video, I show you how to fix YouTube video automatic minimize problem. For fixing this problem, go to your Play Store. Now search for YouTube app. Now update your YouTube app if available any update version. Then go to your phone settings. Then go to apps or application management. Tap on it. Then tap on see all apps. Now find out YouTube app. Tap on YouTube. Tap on force stop. Then OK. Then tap on storage. Then cache, then clear storage, then delete. Now open your YouTube app. Now play any video. Now I hope that this method fix YouTube video automatic minimize problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.